Welcome to Street Hypnosis. My name is Igor Ledachovsky, and in this training program, I'd like to take you through something which I think is very important in any novice hypnotist's career. You see, I remember when I first started off in hypnosis, and I'd go to a seminar or read something in a book or maybe watch a DVD, I'd be terrified going home to actually practice it. I had this huge amount of pressure that felt like, what if it goes wrong? What if I do it and I get egg all over my face and I embarrass myself by failing? What I've learned, of course, in the years since then, and traveling around the world to meet many great hypnotists and developing myself as a hypnotist, is that all those concerns I had were really stuff I was creating for myself. I was putting myself in a situation where hypnosis stopped being easy, it stopped being fun, and a lot of fear and pressure resulted because of that. I would like to show you in this training program how to remove all of that fear, how to make hypnosis easy and fun again, and how to ensure that you can practice this naturally with pretty much anyone that you meet, how to entice them to want to become your subject, your volunteers, and how to do a great job with them when you're actually doing hypnotic sessions with them. What you'll discover throughout this training program is that once you understand the principles of hypnosis, and rest assured, we will go through them step by step, then expressing them hypnotically, even in a more sort of conversational or covert setting, becomes very, very easy to do. Those are the things I want to take you through. So here's a quick overview of the program that you'll be experiencing here. First of all, we're going to go through the principles in hypnosis. It's kind of like a crash course on what you're trying to achieve with every session, just so that when you have a real client there with you and you're starting to do your inductions and so on, you've got like a mental checklist, and you realize that you don't want to move on from one point until you've succeeded with the other. Once we've gone through that mental checklist for you, those principles in hypnosis, the next step will be to walk through a couple of different sessions that you can run. Now, these sessions are very important. In these sessions, I will teach you how to train a hypnotic subject so that they become very responsive to you. Now, we won't be going to the whole crazy extreme into hallucinations and all that sort of stuff. We could do, but that's far too far advanced if you're having anxiety and fear even starting to practice right now. I will show you how to make sessions and design your own sessions, by the way, that are really easy to do, they're simple, they're fun, and have your volunteers sitting at the edge of their seat wanting more. That is exactly where you want them. At the end of the process, they should want to volunteer, or maybe even offer to pay you, to come back and do it again and again and again. There are many tricks on how to make this happen, and we'll cover all of them throughout this program. The main thing I want you to think about as we begin these training sessions, however, is, and this is the holy grail, should we say, or the cardinal rule that you're going to burn inside your mind whilst we're doing this. And that is, hypnosis is easy and hypnosis is fun. If hypnosis is no longer easy for you, or if it's no longer fun for you, then you have done something, you have added something into the mix that you really don't need to be adding. By adding those things, you will increase anxiety, you will increase fear, you will get that sense of pressure, you don't know what to do or how to do it. When you remove those things, it'll become easy again, and it'll become fun again. So keep that in the back of your mind. It's easy and it's fun. And if it's not easy and it's not fun, ask yourself questions like, what have I added? What am I trying to achieve that isn't part of the program that we'll be showing you here that's adding that extra pressure? So, with that thought in mind, whenever you're ready, turn on to the next session where we'll start diving into the heart of hypnosis.